Best Electronics Repair Kit Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the best tool sets in the market that has been used by thousands of people to repair their electronic devices and electrical appliances. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this repair toolkit so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of what's included in this tool set. The one that made our list is the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. This set has been developed over 5 years using the data from thousands of repair manuals to have all the right tools in it. They are made from the highest quality materials and includes the 64-bit driver kit. With this set, you have all the tools you need for your repair work, and the entire set is covered by iFixit's lifetime warranty. To check out the full specs of the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/pro-repair-kit. Here's a quick look at this toolkit. So there you have it, the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. Considering how comprehensive this toolkit is, the quality of the tools, and their ease of use, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/pro-repair-kit. Alright, thank you for watching.